Did you know that in the United States, your credit score decides almost everything? Whether you get an apartment, a car loan, even some job interviews? And millions of people start from zero. No history, no score, nothing. I was one of them. And within 18 months, I went from a 0 credit score to 780. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step. No credit card scams, no tricks, just a proven system that actually works. Stick till the end, because the biggest mistake most people make? It's in step number 4, and it can destroy your score before it even starts. When I first moved here, I didn't understand what credit even was. Back home, you save cash, you pay cash. That's it. But here, I went to rent an apartment and the landlord said, "Sorry, no credit history, we can't approve you." I didn't even know what that meant. I thought I was being rejected because I didn't have enough money. But no, I had the money. I just didn't have a credit score, so I started researching. I made mistakes. I wasted months. But eventually, I cracked the code. And today I'm going to give you the shortcut I wish I had on day 1. Step 1. Understand what a credit score actually is. Your credit score is a number between 300 and 850. It tells lenders, banks, landlords, credit card companies how trustworthy you are with money. 300 is terrible. 800 plus is excellent. Most people aim for 700 and above. That's where you unlock the best interest rates and approvals. Step 2. Get a secured credit card. This is the number 1 tool for building credit from zero. A secured card means you deposit, say, $200. That becomes your credit limit. You use the card for small purchases like groceries or gas. You pay it off every single month. The bank reports this to credit bureaus, and boom, your score starts building. Step 3. Keep your utilization under 10%. This is where most beginners go wrong. Let's say your credit limit is $500. People think, great, I can spend $500. Wrong, you should spend less than $50. That's 10%. Credit bureaus love to see that you're using credit, but not desperate for it. This one rule alone can boost your score by 40 to 60 points. Step 4. Never miss a payment. Not even once. This is the mistake I warned you about in the beginning. Payment history is 35% of your credit score, the biggest factor. One missed payment can drop your score by 100 points overnight. Set up autopay. I don't care what you have to do. Set it up tonight. This is non-negotiable. Step 5. Become an authorized user. Ask a family member or a close friend who has good credit. Add you to their credit card as an authorized user. You don't even need to use the card. Their positive payment history starts showing up on your credit report. This is the fastest legal shortcut to building credit, and almost nobody talks about it. Now let me tell you what to realistically expect. In the first 3 months, if you get a secured card and pay on time, your score will go from 0 to somewhere around 580 to 620. That's not great, but you're in the game. By month 6, if you keep utilization low and add an authorized user, you could be at 650 to 680. That's a fair score. Most lenders will approve you. By month 12 to 18, consistently doing these steps, you should cross 700 to 750. And at that point, you unlock significantly better interest rates on car loans, personal loans, and even mortgages. The difference could be thousands of dollars saved every year. The system works. You just have to be consistent. So that's the full system. 5 steps, 0 to 780, and it doesn't cost you anything except consistency. If this video helped you, subscribe, because every week I break down personal finance topics that actually matter for real people, not the boring textbook stuff. Real, practical advice. And if you have a question, drop it in the comments. I read every single one.